Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see what are the required documents to apply for a PAN card. This is also known as Form 49A or 49AA. So now we will see the documents required to apply for a PAN card in India. For Indian individuals including minors, you need proof of identity anyone among these ID cards. Aadhaar card, eKYC is acceptable for online applications, passport, voter ID, driving license, ration card with photo, arms license, pensioners card with photo, proof of address, anyone among these ID cards, Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license, electricity or telephone or gas bill not older than 3 months, bank account statement, property registration document. Next, proof of date of birth. Anyone among these: birth certificate, passport, matriculation certificate, driving license, Aadhaar card. For Hindu undivided family HUFs, HUF deed if applicable, identity and address proof of the Karta, head of the family. For companies, certificate of registration issued by the registrar of companies. For firms or LLPs, partnership deed or certificate of registration for LLP. For foreign citizens or entities, Form 49AA. Passport mandatory PIO. Person of Indian origin or OCI, Overseas Citizen of India card if applicable. Bank statement in India, proof of address in home country, certified by Indian Embassy or notary. So these are the required documents to apply PAN card through online or offline in India.